Insightly CRM is a powerful tool designed to help businesses manage relationships, track sales, and organize projects. Here's a quick guide to getting started. Set up your account. Begin by logging into your Insightly account. Set up your company profile, invite team members, and configure basic settings like currency and time zone. Add contacts and organizations. Use the Contacts and Organizations tab to add people and companies you interact with. Import your existing contacts or manually add new ones. Insightly links contacts to organizations, giving you a clear view of relationships. Manage leads and opportunities. Leads represent potential customers, while opportunities track deals. Add leads to the lead section, and when a lead is ready to convert, turn it into an opportunity for sales tracking. Use projects. Insightly's projects feature helps you organize tasks and deadlines. Create a new project for each client or initiative, and use pipelines to track progress and ensure all tasks are completed on time. Monitor activity with dashboards. Insightly's dashboards and reports provide visual insights into performance metrics. Use these to track sales progress, project status, and team activity. Automate workflows. Set up automated tasks or email alerts for routine processes to save time and maintain consistency.